Hello, my name is Ronald Ochoa. I am research entomologist of the Systematic Entomology Laboratory and a curator of the Smithsonian National Mite Collection at Pennsfield, Maryland. I work with plant-feeding mites at the United States Department of Agriculture. To look at flat mites, the best way to identify them is, in this moment, the use of flat mites of the Lucid Key. This one is available in the internet. Was created by Aphids PPQ system with a group of Terence Walters as a leader in the project. Jenny Beer, my expert from Australia, with several of us at the USDA, worked for almost 5 years in the creation of this system. It's very simple. You will find information about the mites, how you can identify, how you collect them, how you can mount them, and also how you can use the best microscopic system to identify them. In this case, we will try to identify the mite that you have with you on your microscopes right now. So if you look at your mite that you have right now in the microscope, you will notice that it's a small body, it's very stout, and it has 4 pairs of legs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has the palps, no chelicera, and you can see the heavy ornamentation. Let's open the key for the family Brevipalpus to identify this mite. You go to the section that says keys, you click, you have a key for the family, a key for the genus. In the genera, you have 3 genera, Brevipalpus, Raoiella, and Xenopalpus. In this case, we will go over just the family. If you go back to your mite, you can go to more power. And we start to look how the pulp is, look the shape of the cities, the kind of ornamentation that it might has, the number of cities. We can see C1, D1, E1. We can see here there is no C2, neither D2 or E2. However, we can see here C3, D3, F3, H2, and H1. Now, that is made very easy because we'll go to the dorsal city, we click on it, and they will give us already the list of cities that we want. If we go to C1, we saw that was present. We go to C2. We notice that is absent. We go to D1. We saw that it is present. And we keep doing this, selecting the cities that we know that they were absent or present. E1, present. E2, absent. F2 is absent in this case. F3 is present. Now, because F3 is present, it's asking us what shape is the city. We saw that these cities are not elongated, they are normal shape. That means that you need to click in, not extremely. Okay. Okay, that is, suppose that is the one that you click. We go to H2. is not extremely elongated. That means that is the first one. You click in that one also. SC1. I was giving a problem all of them. More or less similar. We can now select other characters. We can go to the lateral opistosomal city. And we can select how many they have. We notice that F3 is present, but F2 is missing. That means that that will give us, if we go back to our mind, and we just count from the jugal apodeme, and let's from the minds, we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 series. That means that maximum is 6 pairs. Now we can go over the gnatosoma. We can look at the number of pulp segments. We go to our specimen. And we can see that is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means that, as you can see in the table, it's not 1, it's not 2, it's not 3, it's 4. You're selecting 4. Now, the gnatosoma. If the gnatosoma covered, or is the gnatosoma exposed? In our case, it's exposed. And with that, we already end in 2 possible genera, Brevipalpus and Ultratenipalpus. Now, look the body of this Ultratenipalpus. It's very broad in the base, as broad as the top, when in Brevipalpus is slender. And if we go back to our specimen, and we go to lower power, we can see that is pointed in the posterior region, and that gives us 2 Brevipalpus. Thank you.